Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio and CBS Automotive. My name is Adil and I'm really proud to introduce another video for one of the installations that our team have carried out. So the vehicle itself is a 2017 Audi A3. So in terms of the upgrade that we carried out on this particular vehicle, I'll drop all the details below, and please don't forget to like and share our video as well. So the speaker system in the front cannot be seen from the driver's view. Everything's gone behind existing speaker grills. Cannot see one thing, and we're still using the Audi system in terms of for the infotainment. The sub is the only visible part of the whole install, as you can see a little bit behind me, but I will zoom in and we can take a closer look at that. It's in a really compact box, so you're not taking up too much room, and you can still put your shopping on top of it. It's a really efficient sub, and also doesn't compromise too much on boot room. So the amplifier system that we're running is all hidden underneath the false floor, and all we've had to do is remove the spare wheel, and it's all nicely tucked away underneath there. So this system sounds unbelievable. We're basically running a Voce front end, which is the AV 1.1s, the AV3s and the AV 6.5s, all completely fully active. We're running a Audison Prima 10-inch sub, and we're also running it's all being processed by a Hertz H8 processor, which is a phenomenal bit of kit. So what I'll do is I'll basically show you the installation that we've carried out. I'll show you what's visible to you as a user. For any other upgrades that you're thinking about for your vehicle, whether it's the Audi A3 or any vehicle for that matter, book in with us. We have either phone consultations, or we do in-house, where you can come and see the product itself and see our workshop and see what we're all about. But by all means, if you are further afield, we can do the consultations over the phone as well. So just inquire on our website or give us a call and we can schedule that in with you. So in terms of the system itself, I'll just show you around it quickly. So in terms of what you can see from the sub, it's a really compact design, as I said, but you can still put your shopping on top of it and still get most of your boot room allowed through there as well. So really nicely designed system. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take that out while I talk you through the speaker setup. So this is the Voce AV 1.1s at the top. So they're your tweeters. They're being powered off the Voce amplifier, which is the 5.1K, which is down at the bottom. That's that amplifier. So they're running 2 channels off that 5 channel. Then the other 2 channels that you've got, so it's a 5 channel, so you've got 2 at the tweeters. Then you've got 2 for the mid-range. So they're the AV3s, they're being powered off the off that 5.1K as well. And then the last channel is running the sub. So that really performs really well. It's a really nice setup. And then you've got the AV 6.5 being powered by the Voce AV Duo. So a really powerful system, and then that's all being processed by the Hertz H8 DSP. DSP basically allows us to control the audio within the car, arrange time alignment and everything like that, so we can have a complete bespoke setup. So what I'm just going to show you now is inside the boot. So I've just taken out the sub and the false floor, and as you can see, a really nice setup. All the cabling's all being cloth taped, and we've also labelled all the cabling for when the customer needs to put the sub back in as well. So on the right hand side, we've got the Audison Voce Duo, and then we've got the Audison Voce 5.1K on the left hand side, and then the processor neatly mounted in the middle. So we've mounted the Hertz H8 DSP on a little stand as well, so it's all completely level. Everything's done in beautiful leather as well, and then we've also got our little plaque there as well for all the hard work that's gone in from our team. So a really nice powerful system. So this is basically running the front end fully active, the 3-way system fully active, as well as the sub. So really proud of this installation that we've carried out. I will be uploading pictures of these onto our gallery as well, so feel free to check those out as well. If you are after a system like this, feel free to get in touch with us. More than happy to help. And in terms of the door cards themselves, as you can see, well, as you can't see, there's nothing on the door cards. Everything's gone behind existing grills. Same with the tweeters, they've all gone behind existing grills as well. So you can't see anything at all. So really proud of this installation. So this is all being completed within a week. So for more details on this system in particular, or anything of this standard or level, feel free to get in touch with us. Contact number is 01223 56 30 30. I'll drop all the links below, so feel free to get in touch, and we look forward to upgrading your sound system soon. Thank you.